How to create a poll on Instagram. So if you want to create a poll on Instagram, then first open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now to create a poll, you can simply go with your story. So go with your story, which is here on the upper left. Tap on your story and then choose an image to post. Once you choose, you need to go for the upper right, which has that stickers option. Under stickers here, you will have an option of poll. So tap on poll, and under poll, you need to ask a question. And here on the next blanks, you need to enter the options. You can also add another option by tapping on add another option. And now you need to simply go with done, which is on the upper right. And here you will have your poll, right? So you just need to simply go with the bottom arrow, which is here on the bottom right side, and then tap on share. So I'll not be sharing this on my Facebook for now, and then tap on share and done. And your poll has been posted. So once your poll has been posted, now you can simply see who voted on your Instagram poll after they voted. So that's how you can create a poll on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.